Alright guys, we got here a Jeep Wrangler LJ. It's 2004. We'll be checking out the headlights, how to take it off, and to install this, guys. So this is how it looks after it's installed. Looks pretty good. So we're going to be taking this one off. So what we have is one screw here, one screw there, and one screw hidden right here on the top. After you unscrew it, using a T15 star, as you can see, I use this one. I'll show you why. Because when you use this kind, this thing is in the way, and I'll show you why in just a second. So after you take this guy off, you want to kind of go on the sides a little bit, and you want it kind of spinning a little bit. So it's getting there, but sometimes you just need to rotate it, and we'll show you guys. So it might be a little bit difficult, but I don't want to use a screwdriver to pry anywhere here to not damage it. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just getting it loose by getting all the corners. So I got this one. So then what I do is just shake it, and it comes off. And that's it. And that's it, guys. The bezel is off. So we'll put in the bezel on the side. And this is why I'm using this kind of setup, not this kind of setup. Where is it? Not this guy. I'll show you why. So where they at? Right here. See? I got it. This bolt. There's going to be 3 bolts all around. And I'll show you this one. See how angled it is, and I guess you can still unscrew it, but you might strip the bolt if it's really tight. So this thing will work, but it might strip your bolt. So to correctly use something like this, so you have more clearance where the bezel is, and it's perfectly straight, and then just unscrew it, and there you go. What else I use is a magnet after I unscrew it all the way. Carefully. So now it's loose. You can use a magnet, or you can do it this trick way. Be very gentle. I have a magnet just in case. If it falls there, you can still find it. But there's another screw right here, and then there's another screw right there. I guess there's 4 bolts. Sorry about that. There's 4 bolts all around. And then after you unscrew it, this bezel comes off, and then the wire is unplugged. It just comes off. There's no pin or anything you have to press. And that's pretty much it. And then you just put a new one in, and there's a locking mechanism kind of to keep it in place. You can see right here. Right here. Same thing, this new one has the same mechanism. So the headlight doesn't turn around like crazy. So keeps it in place. And there you go, guys. This is pretty easy, simple to replace the headlights on your Jeep Wrangler from 1996 to 2006, I believe. But I'm sure maybe the older ones are the same stuff, new ones. But yeah, take care, guys. I hope this helps for you guys, and just to make sure you don't mess up your bezels, or just do it professionally, or not professionally, but like taking care of it, and that's it. Take care, enjoy, have a good day.